Traders Anthony here, the DXY. It's still in this range, no man's land. Just take it back out. I mean, I've been waiting all week. Well, actually, this is a daily chart. Look how many days this has been ranging sideways. We'll go out to the weekly, and I want to show you what we've got here. We've got this huge level here, distribution level on the weekly time frame. Just mark that 1W. Okay, distribution, weekly time frame. This is a big level of resistance. We've traded into it, and well, I mean, we're banging up against it and not really going anywhere. So there's a couple of things with this. I mean, when we go out, we can see clearly we've got this, well, these equal highs down in here, and then we get this liquidity run. So this is a typical reversal pattern. Higher time frame, I mean, this is a weekly. Okay, we get the double bottom, triple bottoms, takes out liquidity, then we get this break of structure here, this higher high. I mean, look at this move, and then the retrace back in, higher low. So if anything, this base is forming, and there's a potential trend reversal going on here. It's taking forever, but that's what I'm seeing on the chart at the moment. Bullish dollar. However, again, here we are into this weekly distribution level that is causing issues here. So let's just have a look at it now on the daily time frame. All right, so we can see how this is range bound, struggling to break through. Now, it's quite clear. I mean, this is a bullish structure. We've got this break of structure here. One wave pullback, a second wave, a retrace, and the retrace works with my Fibonacci optimal entry zone. So the 50 to 618, you can see my blue zone down in here. It's broken through the 50, right? That's discounted. So bullish. Now, where to from here? Well, it's already pulled into liquidity under here. So is that enough for big guns to pair their orders? Bullish. See, this is building liquidity above and below this range, big time. Because, I mean, you got institutional traders, you got retail, you got everybody in here, long and short all over the shop, and it just builds a ton of liquidity that is ripe for the picking. Let's just call it a liquidity pool. Hang on. Under and above. So we've got this building above and below, and it's ripe for the picking, right? So they're going to attack at either side. It's ranging, right? So we can pull a bit of a parallel thing through here. So there's no real direction, there's no trend, although this is bullish. I'm leaning more towards a bullish move from here. However, I mean, it could head in any direction. Now, we've got some big data coming out. Today we've got something, I think we've got ADP, is it non-farm employment change? I think that's due a bit later on today. So that's a red event. That will impact the markets. That's going to impact the US dollar. Tomorrow we've got FOMC. And Friday we've got non-farm payroll. I'm inclined to wrap up my positions probably Thursday. But anyway, hopefully these events this week will cause the US dollar to make up its mind and give us a reason to get involved next week. So I want to see some kind of trend. And so, yeah, I mean, it's tough trading when you don't have a clear trend. So guys, I mean, that's where we are with this at the moment, just waiting for this to, break out and give us a bit of direction. I guess for me, I'm always looking for the opportunity is going to be, well, this one kind of got away on us. Actually, low to high, back down into the 61.8, 50 to 618, so there's a buy. So we've got a low to high. This is back down into the 61.8. So if you catch that, that's your entry point. At the moment, there's nothing here. Now I'm waiting for something like that, and a pull back into the 61.8, and then there's a buy opportunity if it trades bullish. That's the best I can do with this at the moment, guys. Just yeah, be careful. End of the week, time to wrap it up, I think. Close your positions Thursday, and then Friday, day off for sure. All right. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.